everybody, ready to do some cooking? I've got a great recipe for you today. It's a one-pot creamy broccoli pasta. You can have this on the table in about 20-25 minutes. How are we all holding up staying at home? I hope that you are finding some things to do that maybe you haven't done in a while, like doing a lot of organizing, cooking perhaps, doting on your loved ones. Hope you're staying safe, hope you're staying well, and stay home. Thanks for joining me today. As you can see, this didn't take long to make and it's super easy. Not a lot of cleanup too. Perfect. Stay tuned. I've got a lot more recipes coming your way soon.